Let's solve this together. It says x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 30. We're required to solve for the value of x and y respectively. Now, to solve this, the first thing to do is that we can say from equation, let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 2, we can say that from 2, that x is equal to 30 divided by y. Alright. Now, from here, we can say let's substitute x for 30 divided by y in equation 1. So we have 30 over y plus y is equal to 10. Multiplying each term by y, we have y times this is 30 plus y times y is y squared plus 10 times y is 10y. Hence, we have here y squared minus 10y plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, from here, we can say let's solve this using the quadratic formula. Alright. So we have that y will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Hence, our a here is 1, b is negative 10, and c is 30. Okay. So continue from here, we now have that y will be equal to minus 10 is 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times this is 120 all over 2. This is now equal to 10 plus or minus square root of negative 20 all over 2. This is now equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of minus 5 all over 2. This is now equal to 10 plus or minus 2 times I root 5. Okay, so negative 5, square root of negative 5 is square root of minus 1, which is I, times square root of 5 all over 2. This is now equal to 5 plus or minus I root 5. And this is the value for y. Okay, or these are the values for y. Now, for the values for x, we're going to have that our x here will also be complementary with y. So it will give us 5 plus or minus I root 5. Okay, so when x is 5 plus I root 5, y will be 5 minus I root 5. When x is 5 plus 5 minus I root 5, y will be 5 plus I root 5. Okay, so they're complementary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.